Hi, if you are a yoga instructor, then this video, you are going to love this video, okay? Because I'm going to show you, along with what you are doing currently, right? Taking online classes, taking batches and everything, I'm going to show you one additional way that you can actually implement so that you can gather more crowd, okay? Tap into unknown opportunities. And also, you don't even have to ask people to come and join your program. People will join automatically. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But before that, I want to show you there are some statistics, some numbers. And I'm sure if numbers never lies, right? And if you know this number, my friend, you are much ahead of your competition. I'm telling you, because this will show you the opportunity that is present in the world in yoga. Okay, let me just, and this is going to be very raw. I have not created any PowerPoint presentation or something like that. It's just a bunch of things in my laptop that I did some research for you so that I can bring on and I'll show you. I have not done this in a proper manner, so forgive me for that. So let's quickly go to my laptop and I'll show you some numbers, okay, in yoga industry that you must know. So first thing, see, yoga industry, right? It's a $84 billion industry. $84 billion industry. That means there are a lot of prospects out there whom you can tap into. Okay, a lot of prospects out there. Now let's just go to the second number. Okay, so it's not working. Okay, see, the average lifetime spend of a yoga practitioner is $62,640. Now let me go to the third statistics. Now 68% of yoga practitioner, they earn somewhere around $75,000 per year. That means they are able to pay you money, okay, if you're creating a yoga stuff. Now you might think, man, why I'm telling you all this, right? See, along with what you're doing currently, if you know the statistics, what just I showed you, right? The average spending of a yoga practitioner, as well as what is their earnings, right? How much they're earning in an average per year. So that means there are a huge opportunity for you to tap into those market, right? Currently, you might be doing only online classes, or currently you might be doing some online batches, right? That comes and goes. But now what I'm going to show you is completely going to blow your mind. Check this out. Let me ask you before that, have you ever thought of creating an online course on yoga? Now before that, let me introduce myself. I'm Rup Kumar, and I've been working in corporate from last 14 years in sales and marketing, and now I am here to share my knowledge for the way I can help people. Okay, I'll show you what I am up to. Don't worry, very soon. Now let me ask you the same question. Have you ever thought of creating an online course on yoga? Right? You might say, oh no, people might not buy, or maybe people are more inclined towards one-on-one coaching and one-on-one yoga session somewhere around morning or evening or something like that. Now, let me just show you, right? Because this, my friend, going to change your perspective, because hundreds and thousands of people are actually buying online yoga courses. Hundreds and thousands of people. Let me just quickly show you that. Check this out. Okay, check this out. 13,782 students, okay, for yoga for kids. 30,762 students. You see, 9,400 students, 100,996 students. She's a yoga trainer, right? You 10,684 students, right? Can you imagine the numbers, right? See, 377,000 people enrolled to some of her yoga trainings. 27,000. See, the whole reason I want to show you this thing live, because I want to make sure you understand. See, come down. If you come down here, also you will see like 3,900 students, 3,358 students, right? 3,400 students. There are a lot of students, a lot of people are practicing yoga. They are just going for yoga courses. These are all yoga courses. See, 1,284 students, 1,800 students, 1,000 students, 700 students, 699 students. These are individual classes, the individual courses. Okay. Now the whole reason of this status, if this number, is to make sure you understand that there are people, there are global people. You don't have to rely on your own region okay, your own territory. Okay, there is a lot of scope for you outside. Okay, now apart from that, let's just go to my statistics. Okay, wherever we are, I just want to show you some more statistics. Okay, because this is going to help you, my friend. Okay, now you knew right now that's what is the earning capacity of your target customers, and average earning capacity, right? $75,000 per year. And what is the amount they spend on yoga? Okay, not only for classes, but in overall, like yoga equipments or something else like that. Okay, along with yoga classes. I'll show you some other very cool statistics. See, and on an average yoga practitioner, they spend $90 per month on yoga alone. Okay, not anything else, only yoga, right? $90 every single month. Okay, they're spending. Now, what does that mean? That means if you are, this is average, okay, this is average. That means if you are creating a course of $90 or something, you can actually attract a lot of people on a monthly basis. How to do that? Like, that's a membership site that you need to create and all this stuff. I'm going to cover very soon. Okay, but this is just to let you know that you can actually do that. You can actually charge them every month just a $90. Okay, because they are spending that. Now, if you have a question thinking, okay, Roop, that's good, but how do I attract more customers? Because there are a lot of online yoga teachers where people are enrolling to them. Now, let me ask you this. You already have some students, right, who are coming to you. Even if you're new, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to do that. But even if you're not new, you're doing it, you are getting some students online. Now, the next statistic that I'm going to show you, that is going to be beautiful. See, 66%, this is important, 66%, okay, of yoga practitioners do at least one class per year in an experimental settings. Okay, in an experimental settings, they just do go to a different practitioners to see how it works. What does that mean? That means you have a 66%. Okay, now you have 66% chances every single year to take over a new customer who is already practicing yoga or have already bought other trainers' courses. Okay, that is the real meaning of this. Okay, you have 66% chances of acquiring a new customer every single year. Okay, now there are a lot of other statistics that I thought I would show you. See, 55 million people started by 2020. So this is okay. So there are a lot of different statistics. If you want, I can just give you the slide for your reference. Okay, I'll just give it to you. Now you might be thinking, okay, what are the price ranges? Okay, what's the price ranges? Because everybody wants to know what's the price I could make it, right? Let's check this out. 9,000, right? 8,640, 5,000 rupees. Now, if you convert this into US dollars, it could be somewhere around $50 or $60 or yeah, somewhere around $100 plus you are going there. Now this is in Udemy, right? And you know Udemy is currently most of the time it reduces the price to 700 rupees, which is somewhere around $10, right? Even the courses looks very expensive, but when you really enroll it, it's going to be very less price. You know this, right? You might, if you don't know, well, but at least you are knowing something for just watching this video, right? I just want to make sure that you learn a real value from this video, just not come inside and just go out without anything. So I'm going to give you this entire statistics slides, okay? And but check this out. Instead of Udemy, if you go outside, right, you can actually create your own online yoga courses. Keep the entire power within you. You don't have to give commission to anybody, because if you depend on platforms like Udemy or something, you have to pay some commissions to them for each enrollment, right? And that too, the price is very less, very small, and you are giving it for lifetime access, right? $10 or 700 rupees, something like that. Okay, so check this out, the pricing. Who has independent platforms? See, $399. But if you convert that into Indian currency, this is the Indian guy, right? It's somewhere around 25,000 rupees, right? This one course. Let's go somewhere in detail and let's see. See, if you are buying all the courses, it's only for 15 days, guys. If you see this particular place, right? It's only 15 days and he's charging $6,000 rupees. That is $81 only for 15 days. Right? Similarly, level 1 and 3, if you say it's just 10 days and it's charging 4,500 rupees, which is $61. And there are a lot of other breakups. Now, the beauty is, let me tell you, you can do this and you don't have to be there for that 10 days. Now, that is the power, okay, of automation. That is what I'm going to show you. How you can create this. So there is something called webinars. If you have heard it, it's good. If you don't, let me introduce to webinars, and there is something called automated webinars. Okay, so what you need to do is you will just shoot some videos that, say currently you are teaching yoga, right? You just screen record stuff or shoot the video, okay, and post it in a place that I'm going to show you where. Once you do that, you convert that into a webinar, okay, so that what happens when somebody comes inside, okay, only then after a couple of days gap, you'll give 2-3 days gap or something, only then they will be able to access it. And if you put that entire stuff into a membership site, for example, then they will access all the courses, right, all the classes. Let's say you have 10 classes, just like this one, 10 classes. If you have 10 classes, every single day they'll be able to access one by one. It's not like all the classes they will get at once. They will access one class at a time every single day. Okay, today they accessed class 1, next day only they will be able to see the class 2. And it's not, you don't have to do it manually. Okay, if somebody is registering today, from tomorrow their classes will start. If somebody is registering tomorrow, then their classes will start from day after tomorrow. If somebody is registering after 1 month, like 30 days, then their classes will start from 31st day. Okay, and you are not doing anything. It's all automated. It's all automated, right? That is the beauty. Okay. Also, you can run auto webinars, everything. These are advanced stuff. I know. These are technicals. I know. But you don't have to worry about that. And that is where, and one more thing, you might be thinking, okay, Rub, that's great. How do I get people? And that is why I'm here. I'm going to show you how exactly, there are 5 steps, okay, to come up with the machine. Okay, I didn't tell you about the machine. This is called a value engine or a BL, okay, fast track business launcher. It's a machine which works 24/7 for you, and that drives client, that sends client to your main product. So once you click below, you will find a register link where you just have to go and give your email address or your first name, and immediately I'm going to send you the link where you will find the training. It will be a 2 hours training, and I suggest you to watch it in a single shot, because if you just not complete it, you cannot go to the next level. Okay, so this is a level wise I have created the training program so that it will help you. Okay, this is called FBL, fast track business launcher. Okay, it is a 5-step process. Okay, every step has its own significance. You will automate stuff, you will attract more clients absolutely for free. In fact, I utilized one system to get 189 qualified leads for one of my coaching businesses. Okay, the same stuff you can leverage and get more clients every single time, right? And the beauty is everything is automated. You are not in front of the camera all the time, or there is no worry of time zones. You can focus on India, you can focus on US, you can focus on Australia, you can focus on Canada, whatever place you want, you can focus on, because time zone is not an issue. Everything is automated, right? Whoever from wherever signs up, immediately a day after, your classes will start. Okay, now that is the beauty. I hope you understand the power, right? If you see the statistics, once again, let me just quickly show you the statistics, right? $84 billion industry, $84 billion, and $62,000 spending capacity on an average for lifetime, and $90 every single month on yoga itself. Now, when you see this, right, $62,000 spending capacity on the lifetime, and $75,000 earning capacity, right? You are not only limited, I'm going to give you another dimension to this. Okay, this is very powerful. Once you set up your entire online business in yoga in a different way, you don't have to stop what you're doing right now. Okay, this is additional. Okay, additional. You can create multiple different products, right? different yoga, Vinasha yoga. I don't remember the names. I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing wrong, but I did my research. So there are a lot of different types of yogas. You can create one after another, okay, put it in a sequence in a way that in a level wise, and you can do mass attraction. Okay, mass attraction. This is going to be mind blowing. And apart from that, my friend, when people are coming to you, you are collecting their email addresses, you are collecting their details, so that in future you can follow up with them. Follow up. It's very powerful. Follow up is where the money comes. Okay, I'm going to give you a lot of cool strategies. And not only that, you can start selling other products. You don't have to tell them. You can put that everything in your members area. Okay, for example, yoga mat or yoga t-shirt or yoga shoes. You never know, right? All the different types of yoga stuff you can put there and start become an affiliate to all the products that you can sell to. Okay, the power is unlimited. I'm going to cover all the strategies. Okay, make sure you register, go inside, and I'll see you inside. Okay, I hope you got some value from this video today. If yes, please put some comments. Okay, and share to your friends. Okay, if you know somebody who needs to learn this, okay, needs to know how to convert a business from his talent on yoga, please forward this. Okay, and I'll see you inside. Make sure go register. Check this out. It's going to be mind-blowing. 2 hours training. You have to wait for 2 hours. I sincerely request to wait for 2 hours to check the training. Okay, I'll see you inside. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.